I put together an entire playbook that writes a daily newsletter for you. And to be honest, it's kind of complex. It relies on a database and a few different ways of populating that database with the relevant news you want to talk about. One of those ways is actually setting up an RSS feed. So why don't we cut over to the long form video where I was talking about this RSS feed and how you can set it up for yourself.
RSS stands for Really Simple Syndicate, and what it does is it actually receives information from websites based on a specific term, since we're using Google Alerts over here, and it allows us to access that website content without having to manually go and visit that website. And as you guys can imagine, this is really useful for an automation context, because here we can just create a new alert, and here we can just set up whatever type of keyword that we want. In this scenario, we can include crypto regulation, for example. And once we type crypto regulation, we will see the types of contents that are added to an RSS feed like this. Now, let's say that you read through these pieces of news and they do look like something you want to be talking about in your newsletter. You can just go ahead and create that alert. But before you click on this create your alert, click on show options. And here you're going to change from your email to the RSS feed. Now, you can also change a couple other things from automatic to news when it comes to sources. So you're only receiving news. If your newsletter is specific to a specific country or a specific market, you can adapt this to whatever country you're in. I can choose Canada, for example, because I'm in Canada. And here you can select how many results you want in your newsletter. I'm going to keep only the best results instead of all results. Then once you click on create alert, you just need to click on this button over here and copy this link. So once you set up your RSS feed, you need to set up this automation over here, which, by the way, you can get completely for free, and you will actually receive it as a JSON object. Now, once this loads, you're going to have to connect your accounts to some specific modules over here. For example, the ChatGPT modules over here and the Airtable one, you'll need to connect your account and connect the specific database that you're using. And you're also going to need to update your RSS feed. So here, what you need to do is you need to select this link, delete it, actually delete the whole thing, go back to your Google Alerts and click on the thing again and copy the Google Alerts that you want. Then you're gonna go back and paste it over here, click on save. And here you can select all the RSS feed items, or from now on, however often you want this to run.
And if you want to understand exactly how each one of these modules work, just go to the related video popping up over here and go to this timestamp.